Hi guys, it's Cindy from Part-Time Permies. It's been a while and I apologize. I've had quite a bit on the plate other than chickens and garden. In fact, my garden, I've hardly done anything in it. So I wanted to give you guys an update because I have like footage for about 4 or 5 videos that I can edit if I could have the time. So I'll try to work on those. The reason why things have slowed down here is because I actually started a new project. What I do during my day job is that I am a cancer genetic counselor. I talk to families about higher risk for cancers, what they should do about it, if they need to do any genetic testing, is that helpful information for them, should they do extra screening, all that sort of thing. And it is actually my primary passion is that. This is my hobby, so I'm happy to share this hobby with you. This is what I love learning about on the side, but there's very limited information out there for those who have higher risks for cancer and not many genetic counselors really. So in all of our 9 counties in this area, there's 2 of us. So it is very limited. So I actually started a new project, which was to start a new channel that is on cancer genetics, and not just genetic cancers, but what makes you high risk and what you should do about it in general. That is just getting going. I have the first 2 videos out. I have a few more in process there coming. I have a web page with articles. I have a newsletter for that. So I'm trying to get that ball rolling because I just feel like people need this information and there's not a lot of it, or not a lot of good information, accurate information out there. Not a lot of information about prior to having cancer, what you should do if you're at higher risk. A lot of it is after the fact, which is great. They need information too, but just something I feel I have knowledge in, and I really should be sharing it to a bigger audience than what I could do one-on-one in a clinic. I don't want you guys going there if it's not of interest to you. But if you have cancer in your family and it's something you are interested in more information about, I will be starting with information for breast cancer and we'll move through different cancers and then we'll get into some genetic stuff. That's my plan. I've started with more articles. I will be matching videos to these articles. I think I have like, 8 or 9 articles up already, and the newsletter. So if it's something you're interested in, you could go into theproactivepatients.com or YouTube at The Proactive Patients. Again, The Proactive Patients, plural. That's where you'll find me for the cancer genetic side of things. And what I'll do here on this channel is I'll keep dripping out videos, but it will be as I have them, and maybe less edited, a little less formal videos, which I think some people like better anyway. So we'll keep it minimally edited, garden, chickens, foraging, you name it, all the permaculture stuff. We'll keep that going just on what projects we have around here, especially when we have the big ones. But this year has been a little bit slow because of that project and because we have a new cancer diagnosis in our family. So I've been doing a little more traveling than typical. So it is personal for me and my profession. So that's why I'm going to focus a little bit more on that side of things. But I'm not getting rid of this. We'll keep things up as we can here. I will put a link to the YouTube channel, webpage, and newsletter if that's something you're interested in. Completely different topic though, so I do not expect you to cross over unless it is something you're interested in. So do want to thank you guys for watching, getting this up to over 5,000 subscribers over the time frame, and hopefully it'll keep growing here too. But we'll see you with our next video. Thanks guys. Hey girl, can I have the eggs you're sitting on, please? Can I have those eggs? Are you gonna be mean? Yeah, you don't want me touching you, do you? We're gonna have to get you in a broody coop and get you on some eggs so you can raise some chicks for us, huh? 'Cause your flock is getting old. You gotta get some fresh blood in there. What do you think? You're still broody by Saturday, girl. You're moving.